In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to test your Shopify checkout without using real money. If you're setting up a new store or making changes to your checkout, it's smart to test the entire flow without putting an actual card on the line. Shopify makes this easy with a built-in test option called the bogus gateway. It lets you run through checkout as if a real payment was happening, but no funds are moved and no one is charged. Start by opening the Shopify website and heading into your Shopify admin. From your dashboard, look for the Settings option, usually at the bottom left of the admin. This is where all your store's configuration lives. Click Settings, then select Payments. The Payments page controls how your store accepts money, and it's where you'll enable test mode. Next, click Choose a provider. This opens a list of payment options available to your store. Here, select Bogus Gateway. The Bogus Gateway is Shopify's safe testing tool, designed specifically to simulate payment processing without using a real card. It's perfect for validating that your checkout works end-to-end, including things like shipping calculations, taxes, discount codes, and order confirmations. After selecting it, click Activate. Activation tells Shopify to route your checkout through the testing gateway instead of a real processor. You won't be charged for any orders while this is active, and customers won't be able to accidentally make real purchases through this gateway. Now it's time to test it. Go to your store's online storefront, add an item to your cart, and try to check out like a customer would. Move through each stage: contact information, shipping, and payment. The goal here is to confirm that everything behaves the way you expect. Pay attention to details like address validation, shipping rates displaying correctly, taxes appearing as configured, and any discount codes applying as intended. When you reach the payment step, you'll complete the process through the bogus gateway, and you should land on the order confirmation page. This helps you verify the success message, the order number format, and the overall experience your customers will see. As you test, note any labels, messages, or fees that seem off and adjust your store settings accordingly. Using the bogus gateway is a safe, repeatable way to refine the checkout flow until it's smooth and trustworthy. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks and performs, you're ready to move forward with confidence, knowing your checkout experience has been fully exercised without spending a dime.